Welcome to this video. Awesome to have you with me watching this. I hope you get something from it. I've got something really good for you. In a nutshell, what I'm going to do in this short video is just give you the ultimate prompt structure, but I'm also going to explain the difference between a bad prompt and a good prompt and really what you want to have. And then the main thing that you can do is then use it to do pretty much anything you want at a better level with AI. And why am I showing you this? Well, if you're interested in building affiliate sites that actually make money, then one of the big things that comes up that takes all of your time, especially when trying to rank via SEO, is the content, writing the content and so on. And I'm going to show you how to do the whole thing with AI. So if you've ever thought about building an income with affiliate sites, but you've been put off by the writing, the SEO, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page and it will give you a complete replay of a webinar that goes in depth into how to build affiliate sites from scratch, just using AI and actually building sites that will rank. So it answers questions like, can you actually build content that will rank just with AI? Well, I show you everything inside, so do pick that up if it's something of interest to you. It's only got 20 hours left on the clock and then that comes down. It goes through everything. Check out the video at the top, but it will walk you through how to pick niches, content templates, how to write SEO, how to add simple optimizations for SEO, how to inject the EAT Google requirements for SEO to make sure that you rank, and even how to automate posting and scaling the content as well. So check it out, it's all in there. I think you'll really find it helpful. And let's have a look at this prompt. I want to show you something. Here we go. Okay, so this is a bit of an extreme example, but I just wanted to give you a good divide between a really bad, crappy prompt and a really good one. So let's say you're looking for affiliate marketing niches that you can make money with. If you just have something like this, so you can see here, here's the prompt. Give me some affiliate marketing niches I can make money with in 2025. Output example: fitness, personal finance, tech gadgets, beauty, gaming. And you can see here why it sucks: generic, overused, high competition, no real search data, no mention of buyer intent, keyword difficulty or SEO angle, doesn't help you make a real decision. Now I'm going to walk you through a really good prompt, but more than that, I'm actually going to give you the step-by-step structure so you can use the same structure when you're building out any prompt to get far better results. And take the challenge with this. Go and use this actual structure and create a prompt on anything you want, and let me know in the comments what your output was. It will work really well. Here we go. So the step-by-step structure is: number one, set the base. Tell ChatGPT, in this case, what it should act as. Okay, and I'll explain this in the actual prompt. You can see here and where these sections come in, but you want to set the base, tell ChatGPT what its job is. So that's called priming, if you will, and it basically is saying, okay, ChatGPT, you are this. Then number two, explain the task clearly. Okay, that's when you want to put as much detail as you can into the actual task. Really simple, but a lot of people miss that. They just say, pick me a niche. You want to go in depth. What type of niche, what price points, and so on. Okay, and then explain your desired output. This really helps with the second section, because by explaining your desired output, if there's anything in the second section that's missing, it will be re-clarified. So it's like saying, okay, pick me a high-end niche, and then my desired output is, so I've got 3 niches, high end, that will pay really well, that have searches but not a lot of competition. So you got the 1, 2, 3 steps there. And then number 4 is add context: tone, format, SEO focus, what not to give, even format of the output. Okay, whether you want it in an Excel sheet, a Google sheet, that's a good place to put it. And what that will look like, as you can see here, here's the first part: act as an advanced niche researcher and SEO strategist for 2025 affiliate marketing. Then explain the task. So this is explaining the task here. I want to analyze future trends, underserved sub-niches and low competition keywords to help me find profitable Amazon affiliate niches for 2025. Physical products with strong buying intent, a minimum of 20,000 combined monthly searches, sub-niches that aren't dominated by authority sites, and then clear SEO angles or unique use cases I can target. The end result I want is a table of 5 niche ideas. So this is then the desired output. Okay, the end result: niche name, sub niche angle, example by a keyword, monthly search volume, and so on. Okay, then number 4, this is the context. Be concise but insightful. Format the output in a markdown table. Avoid generic answers like fitness or tech gadgets. Focus on niches that are easy to rank with underserved search demand. Think like an SEO sniper, not a shotgun. Okay, check this out. Here's an example output of that prompt, that good prompt. So now we've actually got the niche, the sub niche angle, okay, that you could then ask for more if you wanted to, like patio heater for balconies, dog cameras for separation anxiety. Well, you know, people looking for dog cameras for their pets that have separation anxiety, there's a niche where people are going to buy. In fact, you can see here 12,000 monthly search volume. Okay, it's given me a sub niche angle in, it's given me a buyer keyword, it's given me monthly search volume, which is estimated, of course, and then it's given me an idea on competition, what sort of content type would work, and why it's a gold mine. And then, of course, I can take this and I could get more sub niches, I could get more buyer keywords, I could look at buyer keywords that have a certain search volume, I could look at buyer keywords that are easy to rank, I could look at different content types and more niches. So then if it's not enough for you, you can then use and stack on that prompt and get the output that you want really easily, because you've then got something to see and something to play with that you could then build from there. So go and give that a go. What I'll do is I'll post the prompts, or this one, I'll post this prompt below, so you've got it, and then you can use it as a just as that sort of structure. Go and give that a go and let me know how you get on. If you're interested in doing this stuff and want to build complete sites from scratch using AI and just get all the prompts and all the training to do it, join the AI Niche Site Guru. It's ready to go. The replay's ready for you. You can start watching straight away. The link's below. Thanks for watching, guys. Do give us a like. Do give us a subscribe if you're interested in building income streams with AI. And I will see you in the next one.